Space, the final frontier, a boundless expanse filled with mysteries that challenge our understanding of reality. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 space discoveries that will blow your mind. Get ready to rethink everything you thought you knew about the universe. Number 5. The cosmic microwave background. Let's rewind the cosmic clock back approximately 13.8 billion years. At that moment, the universe as we know it was born in an event called the Big Bang. It wasn't an explosion in space, but rather the rapid expansion of space itself. For the first 380,000 years, the universe was an incredibly hot and dense soup of particles. Protons, neutrons, electrons, and photons. But as the universe expanded, it cooled. Around 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the temperature dropped to about 3,000 Kelvin, allowing protons and electrons to combine and form neutral hydrogen atoms. This process, known as recombination, allowed photons to travel freely for the first time. These photons are what we now detect as the cosmic microwave background. Think of the CMB as a snapshot of the universe when it was just a baby, only 380,000 years old. It's like looking at a cosmic baby photo. These photons have been traveling through space ever since, stretched and cooled over billions of years by the expansion of the universe. Today, they're faint microwaves with a temperature of just 2.7 Kelvin, barely above absolute zero. The discovery of the CMB was somewhat accidental. In 1964, 2 radio astronomers, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson, were using a horn antenna to study radio signals. No matter where they pointed the antenna, they detected a persistent noise. At first, they thought it was interference, maybe from bird droppings on the antenna, but after thorough cleaning and investigation, they realized this noise was coming from the cosmos itself. What they had stumbled upon was the afterglow of the Big Bang, the very radiation predicted by scientists as a relic of the universe's earliest moments. This discovery earned them the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1978. Number 4. Exoplanets. Exoplanets, short for extrasolar planets, are one of the greatest discoveries of the 21st century. But let's rewind a bit. Until the early 1990s, the only planets we knew about were the ones in our own solar system. In 1992, astronomers Alexander Woolsey and Dale Frail made history when they discovered 2 exoplanets orbiting a pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star, about 2,300 light-years away. Then came 1995 when Michel Mayor and Didier Queloz discovered 51 Pegasi b, the first exoplanet found orbiting a sun-like star. This hot Jupiter, a massive gas giant close to its star, opened the floodgates for exoplanet hunting. Today, we've confirmed over 5,500 exoplanets, and that number grows almost daily. To uncover these cosmic secrets, we rely on some incredible technology. From ground-based observatories like the European Southern Observatory in Chile to space telescopes like Kepler and TESS, each tool has been instrumental in expanding our knowledge. And let's not forget the mighty James Webb Space Telescope, which is now helping us study the atmospheres of exoplanets in stunning detail. What kinds of exoplanets have we discovered? We've found gas giants, rocky super-Earths, icy worlds, and even planets that orbit 2 stars. Some exoplanets have hellish conditions, with temperatures hot enough to vaporize metal. Others are shrouded in mysterious clouds made of glass or titanium. But perhaps the most exciting discoveries are the so-called Goldilocks planets, those that orbit in their star's habitable zone, where conditions might be just right for liquid water and maybe even life. Proxima Centauri b, located just 4.2 light-years away, is one of the closest potentially habitable exoplanets. Number 3. Black holes. Black holes, the cosmic enigmas that both terrify and fascinate. But what exactly are black holes? At its core, a black hole is a region of space where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. This happens when a massive amount of matter is compressed into an incredibly small space. The boundary around a black hole is called the event horizon. Once something crosses this invisible line, it's gone forever. There's no coming back. Inside the event horizon lies the singularity, a point where matter is infinitely dense and the laws of physics as we know them break down. Black holes form when massive stars reach the end of their life cycle. As they run out of fuel, the forces maintaining the star's structure collapse, and the core implodes under its own gravity. If the remaining mass is large enough, it forms a black hole. There are also supermassive black holes, millions to billions of times more massive than our Sun, lurking at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. Once you cross the event horizon, you'd be on a one-way trip to the singularity. However, time itself behaves strangely near a black hole. To an outside observer, you'd appear to slow down and freeze at the event horizon, while you'd experience time as normal. It's like entering a realm where the rules of reality are flipped upside down. Science fiction often portrays black holes as portals to other dimensions or distant parts of the universe. While there's no evidence to support this idea, scientists have theorized about wormholes, hypothetical shortcuts through space-time. Some believe black holes might be connected to these tunnels, but for now, it's purely speculative. Number 2. Dark matter and dark energy. What's keeping the stars in place? Scientists believe there's something invisible, exerting gravitational force, holding everything together. They call this mysterious substance dark matter. Dark matter isn't just a theory. It's the explanation for why galaxies and galaxy clusters behave the way they do. But here's the crazy part: it doesn't emit or absorb light, which is why we can't directly see it. Instead, we detect it through its gravitational effects. Take the phenomenon known as gravitational lensing. It's like trying to find out how heavy a rock is by watching how it distorts the water around it. You can't see the rock, but you know it's there because of its effects. Dark matter makes up about 27% of the universe. But that still leaves a lot of empty space in our understanding of the cosmos, right? That's where dark energy comes in. Dark energy is the force that's causing the universe to expand at an accelerated rate. It's essentially the opposite of gravity. While gravity pulls things together, dark energy pushes everything apart. In the late 1990s, scientists made a groundbreaking discovery. They observed that distant supernovae, exploding stars, were moving away from us faster than expected. The universe wasn't just expanding, it was expanding faster as time went on. This discovery led to the conclusion that there must be some force driving the acceleration. And that's where dark energy comes in. It's thought to make up a staggering 68% of the universe, but we still don't know exactly what it is. So, to recap, dark matter keeps galaxies and galaxy clusters intact, while dark energy speeds up the expansion of the universe. Together, these forces make up about 95% of the universe, and yet we don't fully understand them. Number 1. The James Webb Space Telescope's first images. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, is the largest and most powerful space observatory ever built. It was launched on December 25, 2021, aboard an Ariane 5 rocket from French Guiana. Thanks to its powerful instruments, Webb can look deeper into space, further back in time, and at a much higher resolution than ever before. On July 12, 2022, NASA released the first full-color images from the Webb telescope to the public. These images are unlike anything we've seen before. Webb's infrared vision captures incredible details of distant galaxies, star-forming regions, and the intricate structures of nebulae that were previously hidden from our view. The first images revealed the beauty of the universe in a way that only a telescope like Webb could. As you gaze into the depths of space, you're not just seeing these galaxies in the foreground, you're also seeing light that has traveled for billions of years to reach us, revealing galaxies that formed when the universe was just a few 100 million years old. Webb's ability to magnify and capture distant objects with such clarity is a breakthrough in astronomical observation. These first images aren't just beautiful, they're also groundbreaking in terms of scientific discovery. The data Webb has already gathered is helping scientists answer fundamental questions about the origins of galaxies, stars, and planets. For example, by observing the earliest galaxies, Webb is providing new insights into the formation of the universe itself. It's like peering into the distant past, allowing us to see the cosmos in its infancy. And there you have it, 5 space discoveries that will blow your mind. Which one amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic content. Until next time, keep looking up.